Fun fact, I got 2 kids at home that people say I don't look like I have 2 kids. My name is Joaquin Salazar, and my role here is foundation repair specialist. So my day-to-day is we usually start digging, unloading the truck, whatever we have to do to get ready for the next couple of days to keep going from our day-to-day basis of digging and installing our helical piers or our push piers. I help the customers with their questions, as in like their curiosities or just anything they want to know. Basically, that's pretty much it. Do I love my job? Yes, I can say that I actually do. I do come here happy and I do go home happy. If you don't love your job, you shouldn't be working there, honestly. The most fulfilling part about our work is, the day as soon as you get into the truck on your way to the warehouse, knowing that you did everything you could do today to fulfill, the goals that we have to meet on our day-to-day basis. The most important thing for a customer to experience with us is to make them feel comfortable, let them know that we are working and not to be, scared or nervous to ask us any questions about what we're doing. For fun, I like to be with my children and my fiance that I have at home. My family, got a 4-year-old and a 6-month-old son at home. First one is JJ, second one is Jordan, my fiance Haley. All beautiful, all blessed to have them in my life.